Hey everyone, so something important happened. The first Shiba Inu cafe in Thailand has opened. And this is, in fact, a fully supported Shiba Inu cafe. Now be sure to drop a like. We have a lot of good news to look in today. Be sure to watch until the end. Thank you so much. I'm your host. And meanwhile in Thailand, Shibasco hot sauce is born. And for the first time, we're seeing the Shib hot sauce, okay? Everyone, pay some respects. We're finally seeing good things happening. But if you did not know, there's a full, and I'm talking about like a Shiba Inu cafe so far, a fully branded one. And I love Thailand and Shib, perfect company, and can't wait to go back. And it actually, exists. So this is big adoption so far, and they accept and try to accept only Shib. Now we can see that Binance has actually, and this is something I talked in my past videos, transferred 30 million. Now this is because they invested, and crypto.com also invested hugely into Shiba Inu. And yes, the price is falling, the price is going up, but I think this just tells you that something big is about to happen this year. I think 2021, 2022 are going to be great for Shiba Inu, and I don't see Shiba Inu actually dying. And speaking about that, we got to actually look at El Salvador's Bitcoin fee problem, but I think it could be easily fixed, and when that is fixed, Shiba Inu to the moon. And those were two big pieces of news yesterday out of El Salvador. And people don't want to use Bitcoin because of the fees. Now the beautiful thing about Shiba Inu, it has no fees at all. The use of Bitcoin will be optional. Now that's what Bukele clarified, which may reassure those concerned about the conservative elements of the law. Even more interesting, the announcement earlier this morning that El Salvador will be distributing about $30 worth of Bitcoin, which is huge in El Salvador, to any citizen who activates a new state-backed crypto wallet called Chivo. It's serious incentive in a country where per capita income is about 4,000 per year. So this is big. 4,000 divided by 12. This is, a big boost to your wage. This can buy you food. Might invite skepticism if they've been paying attention to Bitcoin metrics in the recent months. In April, the average fee for a single Bitcoin transaction peaked at just short of $63. Fees were at near $30 for 2 weeks, during which time $30 in the Bitcoin wallet would have probably prohibited slow or expensive for anything. So on-chain fees in dollar terms to under $7, manageable through still high, and Bitcoin fees average, from 50 cents to around $2 to send money. Now, Ethereum has been, kind of expensive, but not that much as Bitcoin. And I think if they used Ethereum or if they used Shiba Inu, this would not be as hard. But again, Bitcoin, the most stable out there. Credit card fees are roughly $2 in the US, and that's pretty expensive. So that said, fee competition between low-income and high-income users seems like a real issue. Luckily, users in El Salvador will have two options to this, and this is actually a big fix. This is the first time we're going to be seeing a cryptocurrency being used as a legal tender in history. This will go down probably in the history books, if you ask me. But it will offer low-fee Bitcoin payments through the Lightning Network, and Lightning is a two-layer solution built on top of a settling Bitcoin blockchain. And if you did not know, Shiba Inu is making their blockchain as well, and when that happens, say bye to Ethereum fees, say hi to the fast transactions, and I'm talking about 0.1 second transactions. And remittances are a slightly different story. One of the interesting and lesser known features of the Bitcoin network is that you choose your payment fee based on how fast you'd like the transaction settled. So, high fee transactions are picked up first, lower fee are usually blocked within a few hours. And this does raise a few questions we're going to be seeing, but I think El Salvador can actually get this fixed. So when this is fixed, El Salvador being the first country for Bitcoin, this is going to be some big news. But hey, talking about Bitcoin, talking about Ethereum, and talking about Shiba, seems like a lot of, smaller Shiba Inu copies will fade away, while Shiba Inu is keeping it strong in the crash, actually. So if you did not know this, Shiba Inu is still going pretty strong. Even if you lost a lot of your money so far, if you haven't sold anything, you're still good, okay? So Ethereum altcoins risk more than downside. Bitcoin loses 30K. So if Bitcoin loses 30K, all altcoins could lose twice as more, so lose 60%. An independent market analyst and co-founder of Decentrader, and he said if Bitcoin falls even more, a lot of the altcoins are going to be dead, or just going to be really seriously falling. And this is what happens. Usually this was what happened before. We can see, if Bitcoins were to fall lower, losing another 30%. Worst case, I'd expect alts to correct to do 2x worse from here. And Bitcoin's decline across May pushes its year-to-date performance to 5%. So we can see Bitcoin falling here. You know, a lot of these coins still staying kind of strong. Uniswap falling 45% because it's really tied to actually being that. But hey, year to basis, you know, today this is still good. This is 140% increase. This is 5% increase. You know, this is 600%, 600 again, 4,000 for Dogecoin. Are you kidding me? Where's Shiba Inu here? And it tells you, you know, Polygon rising by 5,700%. So, you know, the rich get richer. Those who invest early get the early seeds. Okay. So Dogecoin were, you know, 4,000. So it really does tell you where will Shiba Inu be after the big push, after the Shiba swap on the long term. And Bitcoin is actually falling down now. You know, the only thing that won't survive is a market correction. And a lot of these coins will not survive with no actual uses. That's the most important part. You know, Shiba Inu is being safe here. Do not worry, I'd say. Not financial advice. But the chief executive of financial analysis, ADFENAN, also flipped bearish for Bitcoin, noting that Bitcoin could fall back towards 20K owing to capitulation sentiment. I don't think, you know, the next leg looks down to be here. It will be the final big move down, leading to the repeat of a crypto winter we have endured before. And I think, yeah, maybe, you know, it could be a crypto winter, which, you know, is massive drops. But again, we could be seeing a big potential for Bitcoin, and it could be reaching 160K. No one knows for sure. You know, some analysts have been saying it will reach the lows of 20K. A lot of analysts have been saying it will reach 100K this year. So the future of finance is DeFi intelligence. Just gonna read the title here, but Shiba Swap is DeFi, and AI coupled together would be significantly improve financial services and unlock a new level of innovation. And you know, the big countries are looking into cryptocurrency right now. I think it will take some time. Maybe I'll return, you know, 5 years. In the next 5 years, I'll return back to this article and say I was correct here. But right now, we got to go to the future. And institutional inflow to crypto is only getting started, but the technology promises to improve future markets beyond crypto. So it could be cryptocurrency, could be the future of futures, and we could be seeing a lot of traders coming into crypto. So seeing that, I think it tells you a lot, like already being this, like already having a Shiba Inu cafe at this point, at this early stages. I think this clearly indicates you that we are just super early into Shiba Inu, and we could be seeing the price increase. Look at this, how many members this has. None of the cryptocurrencies have so many members, and people, you know, investing this being the first decentralized coin, you can clearly see that a lot of updates are coming. So yeah, I just think that cryptocurrency is gonna be alive for some time. But what's even going to be more alive is Shiba Inu. Because if you are holding Shiba Inu right now, you do not realize how early you are. You know, it still does not have any big partnerships yet, and it still has much more potential. It got listed on exchanges, on big exchanges, so that's that. And we're going to be seeing a lot more in the future. Be sure to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace, everyone.